Is this the spookiest recipe ever? Take it easy, Count Chadula. Your costume is fantastic. You're the one that wanted to be a vampire. If you have any other suggestions for a costume, I'm all ears.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make monster eggs for Hallows Eve. They're spooktacular. Why did the rabbit get kicked out of the comedy club? Because his jokes just weren't that bunny.
I'm a beautiful bunny.
Let's get to it. Let's hop to it. First up, we're gonna make acclaimed director John Woo's favorite recipe. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs going, hey. You put your eggs in the water. You bring the water up to a boil. You turn the heat off. You boil it for 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, this is what you get. Wow, movie magic is crazy. This episode isn't scary enough. We need a spooky soundtrack. Okay, that'll do it, I guess. Now get yourself a little food coloring. Red goes in, and I'm also gonna do some blue. I'm blue, if I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would die. That's cool. Isn't that cool? It's like the color of my soul.
You're like the color of my soul.
Purple. Food coloring stains, so let's keep that in mind. Where do monster eggs come from? Cowards, chickens, fuck. Now we're gonna lightly crack our eggs. You can use the back of the spoon if you wanna do it the easy way, or you can do it the awesome way. Keep it together. So we're just gonna lightly tap the egg, and then you put it in the food coloring. Whoop, like that. Do the same thing with all of them. Now we're gonna go forward in time to when these are ready. Oh no, we went too far forward. Time travel jokes. 24 hours later, this is what we have. Now comes the fun part. Now let's peel them and hope that I didn't waste the last 24 hours of my life. It's like they say, you can't make a terror omelet without cracking a couple monster eggs. What's a terror omelet? Now let's remove the shell and hope this worked. What a silly thing we made. That's cool. Fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. We're having fun. Look what we made. If it ever comes into focus, you'll get to see. Look at that. Look at that. Very carefully cut these in half. Now we remove the yolk. Carefully remove the yolk and put it in a bowl. Quit yoking around. And now reserve these for later. Let's get filled up. We're gonna start with a drizzle of olive oil, just to get it nice and wet. I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon of hot sauce, about a tablespoon of, ooh, that exploded everywhere. About a tablespoon of mayonnaise, give or take. 2 dashes of fish sauce. About a teaspoon of Dijon. Ooh. Pinch of gochugaru. A pinch of MSG. MSG, aka Monster Seasoning Glutamate. We got there. A little pinch of salt. Boop. Just a bit of boof boof. And of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blue. A bit of yellow in there too. Boop, boop, boop. And now mix it all together. Now I'm gonna put this in a little piping bag, aka a Ziploc, because a Leo doesn't have a piping bag. Everything's fine. It's all under control.
Everything's under control.
Maybe use the right tool, guy. You're a much better tool. Like me. We got the big spookies today. Chop up some chives. Let's dress them up. I add the prosciutto to make it look like there's some like skin on it because it's extra creepy, extra spooky.
Extra spookles.
Prosciutto's good. Time to get stuffed. A little bit of chives on top, fried shallots, and a little bit of gochugaru just to say hello. Monster eggs. Eat them. Look how fun these are. Woo! A little bit of hot sauce, because why not? Bye, friends. Happy Halloween. You're so handsome. You're such a big handsome. Here.